So these are the three best ways to improve your internet connection on your PS5. First thing you want to do is you want to go into your settings, then network, then down to connections, and then go to setup internet connection, then go to your Wi-Fi selection page. And then from here, you want to hit the menu button on your PS5 controller. Should bring up some advanced options. You want to go down to where it says frequency bands. Now here you'll see three options between automatic, 5 gigahertz only, or 2.4 gigahertz only, and you want to change them to one of these two. Now for 2.4 gigahertz, this is going to give you the farthest range possible, so this will stretch out the furthest, but this does come at the expense of slower download and upload speeds, and also could be susceptible to sort of interference in things within area, because a lot of devices do use 2.4 gigahertz on that particular frequency. You want to use this when you're a little bit further away from your router and you want the most reliable connection. 5 gigahertz will give you much faster speeds and less chances of interference, but it doesn't cover the same distance or the ability to penetrate through walls the same way as 2.4 gigahertz. So you really want to use this in instances where the PS5 is in the same space as the router, or maybe just one room over. If possible, wired is the fastest and most reliable and consistent connection that you can do if you can plug it directly into your router. Now, this doesn't happen automatically. Once you plug it in, you're going to need to go into your network settings again and go into setup internet connection and choose wired LAN as your option. We'll go ahead and set that up and you can do a test quickly, and you'll see that you're getting much faster speeds. It's going to be much more consistent overall. If you have the ability to plug this in directly, this is the one I would recommend out of all of them. Now, if Wi-Fi is your only option, another thing you may want to check is to see if you have Smart Connect turned on your wireless router. If you do, you might want to turn this off if you have the ability to do so. And I talk about it in this video right here because this can cause some compatibility issues, and this might improve your PS5's Wi-Fi performance if you're able to do this. So check this out right here, and also let me know if any of these tips and tricks helped you out. Thanks for watching.